Artificial intelligence is having an impact everywhere in the world at the moment. This is true in Malawi, where agriculture is the basis of most people's lives. So here, machine learning techniques such as collecting and analyzing data, finding different patterns, can significantly improve farming and crop yield.
So Luana, the university that we're working with, reached out to have an AI course.
Our teaching was focused on promoting open science, which is crucial for promoting scientific progress, collaboration, and inclusivity. In particular, we wanted to put Malawi in the center of the conversation by allowing them to promote their own data set and their own data instead of relying on other countries.
There's a lot that is needed to be done. We see in the other countries that people are now doing it on the computers, but now because of the economy and where we live in, it's really hard. We have like little technology and we feel like we can explore more so that we can develop machine learning devices that can make data in the Malawian region.
It was my first time working in sales service, and it was my first time working with the breadboard, the boards, the Raspberry Pi, and those things are really amazing.
So there are some key issues that are facing the students in Malawi. In the UK, when we want to download a data set, it might take a few minutes if it's quite big, but sometimes it's even instant. In Malawi, this could take even up to a day to download. So this made it much slower and harder to develop AI for the student. So we wanted to teach how to gather your own data set. And this isn't just to get around the internet problems, but it's also because sometimes the data that you want to work with, there isn't a data set that exists out there or is that most related. And to make your model most accurate for the environment you're deploying it in, you'd need to gather your own data set.
In the second week, we taught the students on how to use different types of machine learning techniques to classify attributes in the data sets that they collected before in the field.
I had so much fun in the field collecting data. I had fun learning about convolution networks, the linear regression, random forest. It's more informational as compared to the things we learn in class. So it's a learning process and I really liked it. And I'm glad I got to apply it back in the field, and now we're going to apply it on the project. So we've actually done 2 studies. The first one is looking at rice diseases, trying to predict how it gets affected through the images and polygons. And then the other one, we're just looking at the impact of agricultural activities on carbon dioxide emissions into the world. So we focused on the sub-Saharan African countries.
Conclude that it's high time, guys, that we need to integrate machine learning in our fields.